In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. It's a simple process that will allow you to explore different interests or cater to diverse audiences, all from a single account. So let's dive right in, and by the end of these 5 minutes, you'll be set up with your second YouTube channel. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to www.youtube.com, https www.youtube.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your existing Google account. If not, go ahead and log in, as this is crucial for setting up your new channel. Next, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the YouTube homepage where you'll see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and you'll see a drop-down menu revealing several options. From these options, navigate your way to Settings and click on it. This is where we'll manage all the channels linked to your Google account. Once you're in the settings menu, look to the left sidebar and find where it says Your Channel. Clicking on Your Channel will bring you to a page showing your current existing channel. However, what we're interested in is the text that says Create a New Channel. Clicking on this will guide us through the process of setting up another channel. Now here's the fun part. You have the opportunity to give your new channel a unique identity by entering a desired name. Think about what the channel will be about and choose a name that reflects its content or purpose. Once you've decided on a catchy yet descriptive name, type it in the space provided. After you've set the name, you'll click on Create Channel. And that's it, you've successfully made a new YouTube channel using the same Google account. This setup is perfect for those who want to manage distinct content types or experiment with different themes. One of the great things about using a single Google account is that you can manage up to 100 different YouTube channels. This flexibility means endless possibilities for content creation. You can start a gaming channel, a cooking show, a vlog, or anything you can imagine, all without having to juggle multiple accounts. Keep in mind that each channel operates independently, so you can tailor each one to its specific audience. You can upload videos, customize your channel's appearance, interact with your community, and monitor analytics all from the same Google account. Thanks for following along today. Whether you're a content creator or just exploring YouTube for fun, having multiple channels can really broaden your creative horizons. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.